This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder with thecreditrepairshop.com, and in today's video, we're going to talk about a debt collection portfolio buyer slash debt collection company, which is rare because they usually try to protect themselves and have an offshoot debt collection company do all of their dirty work. Well, look at this one here. This is Sunland Corporation. The reason why this one caught my attention is because this debt collector has chosen to take the route that most debt collectors do not take when dealing with consumer debt. Now, with business debt, yes, but with dealing with consumer debt in a state that allows garnishment. So, just to give you some background, most debt collection companies, if it's in a state where you can have the consumer have their paycheck garnished, they usually will not do any bank levy. Well, this debt collection company is actually taking the levy route. So you could potentially, if you have a debt collection with this company, it's called Sunland. If you have a debt collection with this company, they take you to court and they get a judgment. You need to watch out for your bank account being garnished or levied or frozen, because this is the route that they're taking. Now, let me give you some background about what this company is doing, and this is the reason why they're taking that route, because they want to be able to pay their investors for the money that they're utilizing to go out and buy these portfolios. So this is what they're doing. They provide a low-risk investment. We buy credit card portfolios from reputable banks at the lowest price possible. They leverage investor capital because we purchase debt for pennies on the dollar. We're able to purchase large quantities of debt with little capital, thus ensuring and securing a highly profitable investment. Highly profitable investment. They use a rigid set of rules. Rules are used to govern the process of buying, collecting, and selling debt to make sure we create a repeatable result every time. Repeatable result every time. Repeatable success. Every investment must produce repeatable, consistent profits, whether managing an investor's capital for wealth building or for income. Sunland provides a steady return on investment, providing varied investment opportunities. Sunland has investment opportunities available, and they say you can invest as little as $5,000. So this is an alert. I want you to be aware of this, and there are other companies that are popping up that are starting to do this, where instead of just getting a judgment and going after a wage garnishment from the consumer's paycheck, they are getting the judgment and they're moving forward with taking money out of the bank account. So you can wake up in the morning and your money could be gone out of your bank account. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Please share this video. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you and they are suing you, I have a link below that can help you beat debt collectors just like this. The link is below this. I can teach you how to do it, or you can have us write your response and you represent yourself in court. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, before it even gets to that point, grab my 3-pack of letters: statute of limitations, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter. Use the one appropriate for your situation. I have the instructions on top on the first page. I do ask for a donation with those, because those can save you time, money, and frustration, but you do not have to do that. The link is below this video. Thank you for your time. Please post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.